Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the I Can Only Be G channel, where I can only be who? G. Yeah, that's me. Hope everybody's doing great. I decided I was going to whip up some body butter today. I'm trying out some new scents, my new baby powder and pineapple slice. So I figured why not pick up the camera. So if you're interested in how I make this body butter, go ahead and keep watching. If you're new here, hey, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload videos. So let's get into it. I'm starting off with clean, sanitized workspace. If you're doing anything in regards to formulation or making something, you want to keep everything sanitized. So I use my handy dandy Clorox wipes and clean the area. That's very important. I also make sure that I'm wearing my gloves so that we just keep everything nice and clean. Today I'm going to be using Shea Butter to formulate this body butter. I love Shea Butter. It is a softer butter, but it is very nice. This is organic raw shea butter that I did purchase off of Amazon. For these particular body butters, I'm going to be switching up my formulations a bit from what I normally do to try to get a new consistency. I will leave down below the percentages that I use of each ingredient. If you want more detailed information on how to formulate, comment down below so I can make a video about it. This particular formulation is really easy. Like I said, I'm using raw shea butter. I'm also going to be using coconut oil and sunflower oil. I don't know what happened to my footage of me measuring out the coconut oil and the sunflower oil, but I did that, and now I'm going ahead and putting all the ingredients in the double boiler to let those ingredients melt down. So what you see here is the shea butter and coconut oil being melted down in the double boiler. You're gonna melt it down until it is all liquefied. I am stirring the mixture occasionally, but you wanna pretty much just leave it alone while it boils down. But once it does, oh my God, you guys, it's like a yummy, just, ooh, golden beauty, okay? These oils are so nice and healthy and nutritious and just everything for your skin. Your skin is your biggest organ, so why not put the best on it without all these chemicals and gunky stuff that these companies be putting in their stuff. So yeah, now adding the mixture into a mixing bowl, and now I'm adding my sunflower and vitamin E oil. I waited until the mixture was approximately 85 to 90 degrees Fahrenheit before adding those two oils. So I'm just gonna mix everything up and make sure everything is properly blended. And next, I'm going to be putting the mixture in the freezer. Not to get completely frozen, but to just solidify a bit. That makes for the perfect consistency to begin mixing. So there I am pouring in my sunflower oil and the vitamin E oil. So after placing the mixture in the freezer for about 20 minutes or so, this is the consistency of the oils now. It's not completely frozen, but it is solidified. And this is the perfect consistency for you to begin blending or mixing. Now it's time to whip that baby. Whipping the body butter distributes air throughout your mixture, which then fluffs up the body butter, giving it that whipped, creamy, fluffy goodness that we all love in the body butter. So I'm just whipping it up, and I'm using my new mixer that I purchased off of Amazon. It's on the cheaper side, but it did the job. I'm very impressed with it. This is my first time using it. I'll leave the information down below on where I purchased it from Amazon. After whipping for a while, you want to just stir it up and continuously mix it up so that everything is being mixed properly and is being included in the mixture. So as you can see on the bottom, it's still kind of solidified and stuck to the bottom. So you want to get all that and include it in the mixture. Now it is time to use a bit of arrowroot powder. This is used to decrease the greasiness, or sometimes body butter will leave a greasy feel. This powder just really allows it to be soft and silky, and it helps the mixture, well, the body butter, to absorb into your skin easier, not leaving a greasy feel. Nobody's trying to be greasy out here cooking and frying and things like that. No. So yeah, I always include arrowroot powder. You just want to put some in and then mix it slowly and continuously add it slowly into your mixture. Now check that consistency, you guys. It looks so good. You may want to just lick it, but don't lick it, please. Yes, I'm very pleased with the consistency that this formulation turned out. Whipping it helps to make it more fluffy. So the more you whip it, the more fluff you get. I'm trying out my new fragrance oil, which is Nature's Oil, that I purchased off of Amazon. This one is baby powder, and when I tell you guys, it smells so amazing. It smells so good. It smells like straight baby powder, and this is baby friendly. I use this on my kids. I put it in their hair. It has not caused any irritation. It's great for their skin, and it has them smelling like a little baby. So I'm blending on up to the east side. Look at that. Woo. I just love making body butter. It's so relaxing. It's so fun. It is very just like therapeutic. It's fun to make. and just seeing your creation come to life and all the hard work that you put into it, just really like, yeah, I did that. I did that. Look at that creamy goodness. I did that. I'm just blending and making sure everything is whipped to perfection and everything is mixed all the way up. Now for the fun part. Time to put it into the jars. I purchased this little cake decorator baggie off of, actually I got it from Dollar Tree. You can purchase them at Hobby Lobby. Whatever nozzle that you decide to use is what's going to give it a decorative feel, or you can just use regular, you know. So I just scoop it into the bag, and now it's time to put it into the bag. To the container. I don't know what's going on with my hands and my wrist. I think I might be getting carpal tunnel, but like it was hard for me to squeeze it into the bag. I don't know why. Normally I'm able to just do it flawlessly, but for some reason, yeah, I was having difficulties. But this part's really easy and the fun part, and it's real satisfying to watch. These are my 8-ounce jars that I purchased off of Amazon. I can link those down below as well. But yeah, it gives you a good amount of body butter. And with body butter, a little goes a long way. So yeah, this jar will last a good little while. So this is my baby butter, boo. And baby butter, it smells so good, and I'm just loving the consistency and thickness and fragrance. It's everything. But I did split up this batch so that I can make 2 different fragrances. This is my own personal batches. So up next, I'm going to be mixing the second half of that batch, and I'm going to be adding pineapple slice fragrance oil, also from Nature's Oil. When I tell you the fragrances, the aromas that was coming forth, honey, it was giving everything that it was supposed to give. It smells so good. It smells like pineapple madness out here. But yeah, I love how it smells. I'm very happy with Nature's Oil. I've used other oils before, but this by far is my favorite so far. So I'm just mixing that up really well into my body butter. be putting the body butter into the 8-ounce jars. I just had so much fun making this video, and I have fun making body butters in general. If you are interested in purchasing these body butters or any of my body butters, head on over to www.theglowkeys.com and try it out, sis. I mean, they are just everything. When I started wearing body butter or making my own body butter, I can't go back. Like, I love it. It smells great and it's great for your skin. I want to thank everybody for watching the video, and if you made it this far, you might as well just go on and subscribe. Subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so you will be notified when I upload a new video. Also, if you gained something from watching this video, hit the like button. Share with your friends and family. I want to thank everybody for watching. Until next time, you guys. Peace out.